Good morning, students. Namaste, Namaskar. I hope all are safe and happy with your family. Long time we did not see. I hope you will complete your first time examination very well. Okay. So after the first time examination, we have some pending topic. Only two title. So I'm going to tell you about that. You just learn. You will utilize future. It is very helpful too when you are attend the government examination. So that's why today I'm going to talk about that. So students, today I'm talking about the common multiples and LCM. Okay, common multiples and LCM, least common multiple. LCM means least common multiple. Okay, so find the multiples of 3 and 4. Now I am going to find out the multiples of 3 and 4. Simply I am going to say the table 3 and 4, not more than that. Don't worry, multiple you know very well, what is factor, what is multiple, what is highest common factor, already we discussed. Now today I am going to tell least common multiple, LCM. Okay, so first I am going to find out the factor of 3, multiple of 3. Okay, so 1 3 is 3, 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12, 5 3s are 15, 6 3s are 18, 7 3s are 21, 8 3s are 24, 9 3s are 27, 10 3s are 30. So we are enough for up to 30, 10 up to 10 enough. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, up to 10 we find the multiple of 3. The same 4 also we have to find out the multiple of 4. 1 4 is 4, 2 4 are 16, sorry 8, 3 4s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 5 4s are 20, 6 4s are 24, 7 4s are 28, 8 4s are 32, 9 4s are 36, 10 4s are 40. Okay, we know very well. These are the multiple of 3. These are the multiples of 4. Now we have to find out the common factor. Okay, which is the common both the given number. Here 4, here 4 is 3, no common. 6, here there is no 6. 9, there is no 9. 12, 12. So this is the common factor of 4 and 3. Then 16, 15, there is no 15. 20, there is no 20. Okay, 24. See, this is the common factor of 3 and 4. Another 27, 30, no. So let me take and write common multiple. Common multiple of 3 and 4 is 12 and 24. So this is the common multiple. Now we are going to find out the LCM, least common multiple. 12 is the smaller than, compared than 24. Okay, 24 is the bigger than the 12. So 12 is the small number. So that is the least common multiple. So LCM of 3 and 4 is 12. So 12 is the answer. So LCM means least common multiple. So common multiple you know 12 and 24 common multiple, which is the least number, small number. 12 is a small number. So that is the LCM, which means least common multiple. Okay. Welcome students. Let me take another example to find the LCM of factor. Okay, find the LCM, means lowest common multiple or least common multiple. Okay, let me try to find the another example. So I will take 6 and 8. Now I am going to find out LCM of 6 and 8. Okay, solution. First I am going to find out the multiple of 6. So I told you we have to say the table 6 table. Okay, so 1 6 is equal to 6. Okay, 1 6 6, 2 6 are 12, 3 6 are 18, 4 6 are 24, 5 6 are 30, 6 6 are 36, 7 6 are 42, 8 6 are 48, 9 6 are 54, 10 6 are 60. So there is no place, I will leave it. Okay, I have this much. Now I am going to find out the multiple of 8. So 1 8 is 8, 2 8s are 16. Okay, 3 8s are 24. 4 8s are 4 8s are 32. 5 8s are 40. 6 8s are 48. 7 8s are 56. 8 8s are 64. 9 8s are 72. 10 8s are 80. We know very well. Okay. So this is the multiple. Now we want to find out the common multiple. Okay, it is common factor, right? So here 8, there is no 8. 16, there is no 16. 24 is the common multiple. Okay, 24 is the common multiple. Then 32, 40, 48. 48 is common multiple. No. So first I am going to collect and write common multiple. So common multiple. So 24 and 48. So 24 and 48 is the common multiple, because this is 6 multiple, this is 8 multiple. In both per multiple, the common multiple is 24, 48. Now in this two multiple, I'm going to find out the LCM, least common multiple, which is lowest common multiple. So compare that 24, 48 is the bigger number. So this is the smaller number. Okay. So this is the least common multiple. So LCM of 6 and 8 is 24. So 24 is the LCM, lowest common multiple or least common multiple. Okay. Okay. Before we talk about how to find the LCM, common multiple and LCM, we saw two examples. Then another example for your understanding purpose. Let me take other examples, but different number. Before we talk about two number, but now we are going to see about three number, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, in this case, how we find out the LCM and common multiples? I will tell you. First of all, I am going to find out the multiples of 2. You know very well, 2 table you have to say. Then 1 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6, 4 2s are 8, 5 2s are 10, 6 2s are 12, 7 2s are 14, 8 2s are 16, 9 2s are 20. Sorry, 9 2s are 16. So 8 2s are 16, 9 2s are 18, 10 2s are 20. Okay, and so on. We can say up to so on. Okay. So now I am going to find out the multiple of 3. 1 3 is 3, 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12, 5 3s are 15, 6 3s are 18, 7 3s are 21, 8 3s are 24, 9 3s are 27, 10 3s are 30, and so on. Okay. Now we are going to find out multiple of 4. 4 4s, 1 4 is 4. Okay. 2 4s are 8. 3 4s are 12. Okay. 4 4s are 16. 5 4s are 20. 6 4s are 24. 7 4s are 28. 8 4s are 32. 9 4s are 36. 10 4s are 40, and so on. Okay, we know we have this much. Now we have to find out the common multiple of 3 of the 3 number. So here 2, there is no 2. 3, there is no 3. 4 here. 4 here available, but here available, but in this there is no 4. So this is not a common multiple. Then 8, here available, but here there is no 8. Okay. Then 12. 12 is common multiple. See here, here, and here. In 3 places, 12 is common number. Okay. 12, 12, 12. Okay. So 12 is the common multiple. Then 16. Here is available. Here is available. There is, but here there is no 16. Okay. Then another 20. Here available. Here available. But here there is no available. Okay. Then 24. Here. There is no 24. Okay. Then another common number. 24, 24 not. 16, 16 not. But we want to another common number. So we have to write another. We have to extend another multiple. So 10, 11 twos are 22s. Okay. 12 twos are 24. So if you see here are 24 common multiples. So here also available, here also available. So we want to take and write common multiple to minimum 2 number. So that purpose I extended. So now 12 and 24 is the common multiple. Okay. So is the common multiple. So in this number, if you compare 12 less than 24, yes, na? 24 is a big number compared to 12. So this is a small number, it's a small multiple. So LCM of 2, 3 and 4 is 12. 12 is the LCM of 2, 3 and 4. Okay. Now you can solve this kind of 3 number and 2 number easily. Okay. Welcome students. Now we are going to talk about one new topic. It's also finding LCM, but using different method. Okay. So I will tell you the prime factorization method. It's another method of finding the LCM, least common multiple. Okay. When we find the multiple by small numbers, it means up to 10 or 20. 10 up to below 10 we can easily find out. It means we know multiple. If I give 2, we can easily say 2 table, 3 table, 4 table, 5 table. Okay. So we can find easily. How previously we find LCM? If I give 2 and 3, so 2 multiple, you know, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, then we can easily find out. Then 3 means we can say easily 3 table. But in this kind of number, 40 and 64 is a big number. We don't know the table, 40 table and 64 table. Okay. So if we know the table, easily we can find. So I am trying to find multiple of 40 and 64 by common methods. Our what we discussed in previous how to find an LCM. Na? That's a normal method. Now I am going to find out. So first I am going to multiple of 40. I am going to find out the multiple of 40. So 140 is 40. Okay. 240 is 80. Okay. Then 340, 120. 440, 160. 540, 200. 640, 240. 740, 280. 840, 320. Then 940, 360. 1040, 400. Okay, and so on. Then 64. 164, 64. 264, 128. 364, 192. Then 464, 256. Okay, 564, 320. 664, 384. 764, 448. 864, 512, and so on. Okay, if you know this, we can easily find out the LCM, least common multiple. So 64, no common. 128, there is no 128. 192, no. 256, no. 320, yes. 320 is the common multiple. So LCM is 320. We can find out easily, but in this method we don't know, because of we don't know the table, so big number now, so we cannot do. So that's why I am going to use the easy method. Okay, we can find out this method also, but you will make mistake. Okay, so that's why I will tell you the another method. Okay, that is easy method. So if you want to do that method, you want to know the division. Okay, division and multiplication. Then easily we can solve this. We know very well because our first, second, third chapter are multiplication, division only. So you all are know very well about multiplication, division. So I'm trying to solve that method, prime factorization method. So 40, first I will take 40. I am going to divide by 2. So how many 2's are there? 20 2's are there. Okay, 2 20's are 40. You know very well. Then here 10 20's are 20. Okay. Then 5 2's are 10. Okay. Then 1 5 is 5. Now these all are factor. Okay. So I am going to write 40 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. These all are factors of 40. Now I am going to find out 64 factors divided by 2. So 32. 2 32's are 64. Then 16 2's are 32. Then 8 2's are 16. Then 4 2's are 8. Then 2 2's are 4. Then 2 1's is 2. Okay. Let me correct and write the factors of 64. How many 2's are? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 2's are there. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many 6 are there? 6 6 are there. Now we have to find the it means highest factor. It means highest factor means here how many 2's are there? 3 times. Here 6 times. Let me correct and write. 6 2's are there. 6 2's and 1 5's. Okay, 6 2's and 1 5's. Here 3 times, but here 6 times. So this is the highest time. So 6 2s are there, 1 5s are there. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 3 4 5 6 into 5. So we take 6 2s and 1 5s. If you multiply all, we can get 320. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 32 2s are 64, 64 into 5, 64 into 5, 5 4s are 20, 6 5s are 30, plus 2 32, 320. So 320 is the LCM by using prime factorization method. Previously I told you that method also 320 as a LCM of that number. Here also same. So you can use any method, okay? Both are any method.